Hey guys, Alexeja here, and I have a new video for you guys today. We have a Morphe James Charles palette. It just came in the mail yesterday. It is so pretty and so pigmented. I can't wait to get into this palette and try my own looks and recreating some of James's looks. I want to recreate this iconic look today. I have I have most of the stuff together. I'm gonna recreate this look. I have some Halloween face paint that is probably not going to look as good as his paint, but it's going to do the job. So we're going to get into this today. I'm going to be following his tutorial from my PlayStation, which if you see me keep looking this way, it's because it's on my PlayStation. I'm going to be following his tutorial and attempting to recreate it on my face today. So let's get started into that. Okay guys, so I got my base done. Took a little bit longer than I thought it was, but I got my base done. We are going to get into this Morphe palette. I'm going to use my blood sugar palette mirror, so I have a mirror to look at so I can still look this way so you guys can see it. And I have my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be following James's tutorial as best I can, and hopefully the look looks good. I'm hoping I can try this look, and I've never tried rainbows on my eyes, but let's get into this. Here's what we have so far. I haven't done my eyebrows or the liner or the mascara. I don't have the glitter or anything that James uses, and also I'm allergic to a lot of glitter, so I have to be careful with glitters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my Alien palette, and I'm going to use Pluto and just kind of put that on the white, so it kind of gives it a little bit of a shimmer, so I get kind of that glittery effect without having to put glitter on my face. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I think I got one eye done. I don't have like fake lashes that would look good. I only have these like really extra lashes, so I don't think they would look good with this look. So I just put on some mascara on my top and bottom lash and just kind of, I might put it on like one or two more coats so it kind of gives it a little bit more of a kind of fake eyelash effect. But let's get into the other eye and do the other eye, and then I'll come back to you. So let's do this other eye. Okay guys, so we are going to be applying the white now. I have this Halloween makeup. I'm going to take it out of this package. I'm going to use one of my wider brushes so we can get a wider area at a time. I have a makeup wipe here. It is just a tiny bit dirty because my little sister was doing her makeup too and she used all the makeup wipes and this is the last one. So I'm going to use this and get the sections I need wiped off, and then we are going to apply the white. So let's do that. Okay guys, so here's the completed Unleash Your Inner Artist James Charles look. I think it turned out pretty well. My white Halloween paint is not as pigmented as his paint, but I really like the way it turned out. The eyes turned out really well. This was my first time trying anything this elaborate, and I've never done rainbows before, and I think it turned out really well. I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said, the white isn't as white, and I couldn't find a paintbrush. I don't know why. I could probably find one when I finish this, but I can't find one, so we'll pretend I have one. So I don't have a paintbrush, but I think it looked pretty close. Not as great, but I did my best. So if you guys would like to check out James's video, I will link that in the description below, and if you would like, I will link everything that I used in the description below. The palette is sold out at the moment, but I will still link where to get it in the description below. So I will see you guys next time. My name's Alexia, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things that I do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!